Right, this will be one of the hardest things we do with our blogger. This is how we embed a document. So you can embed from different sites such as YouTube. However, I'm going to show you how to embed from your Google Docs. You might have a goal sheet or write a story or have an assignment that you do in Google Docs that you want to share with the world. So you need to open up that document first of all. And I'm just going to share my goals. I come down here, I go File, and I want to publish that to the web. So I click Publish to the web, and this box here comes up. I want to make sure I click this button here, automatically republish when changes are made. So that means if you make a change in your Google Doc, it'll go straight through to your blog and you won't have to re-embed it. If it's something private that you don't want the whole world to see, you might click on this box here, which requires the viewers to sign in with their Southall School account. And down here you can see there's an embed code. If I click on that, it highlights the whole box blue. I'm just going to go Control C, and that's copied. Right, I go to my blogger and I click New Post. This is where it's vital that I click on HTML and I paste that code in there. And if I go back to compose, you can see it comes up like that. It's there, it's not ideal though because you can see it's so small. So to fix this, we need to add an extra piece of code. So I go back to HTML and I'm just going to go to my site and I get this piece of code here and I highlight it. And I'm going to copy that. That piece of code we will have on our class blog so you can just access it straight away. I go back to my blogger and I have to look in my code. So if we look back here, you can see that after true there was some speech marks. And then that's what I've highlighted. So I need to go to my post and you can see there's true and the speech marks right there. And I pop my cursor there and I paste that piece of code in, making sure there's no space there. And if I go back to compose now, you can see it's made it a lot bigger and a lot easier and more friendly to read. So make sure you add that code in before you publish. If I click Publish and go to View My Blog, you can see that my learning goals are right there. And any time I add to them or change them in my drive, they will change. Maybe not straight away, it might take 5-10 minutes, but they will change at some point. And it brings through your links as well, which is quite handy. So that is how you embed a document from your Google Drive.